I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 5th Maths, exercise number 2.3. So students, shall we start? Yes, come on. So see here, question number A. Write in column and find the product. In previous video, you have learned how to find the product. So see here, write in column and find the product is given. Product means, I had told you in the first video of chapter number 2 that product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. So simply write in column and find the product. Horizontally you don't have to do. You have to first write in column and then you have to find the product. So see how I am finding it. Okay. So see students. 4258. First you will write, multiplied by you will write here. Then number is 36. We will write here 36. 2 digit is there. Okay. So please be careful in observing this video so that you can understand where to leave the place, where to put the cross, which numbers you have to multiply in this way. So students, in class 4th also you have learned about multiplication, so that you are knowing very well, but once again we can revise that multiplication. See, 6 8s are. 6 8s are, first we have to multiply 6 by 8, then 6 by 5, 6 by 4, then 6 by 2 and then 6 by 4. So here we will write the answer from right to left. Okay. Then second number is 3. 10th digit is 3. So you have to leave one space and then you have to start. So I am showing you, it will be very easy for you. See, 6 8s are or 8 6s are. Multiplication order if you are changing, it is same. 6 8s are, 8 6s are. So 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. I am writing here 8, 4 carry. Now 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4 was carry. 34. 3 carry. 4 here. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 13, 14, 15. 3 carry was there. 6 2s are 12. 13, 14, 15. 1, 5, 15. So now 1 is carry. 6 4s are 24. Plus 1, 25. So students, in this way properly in column we will solve. This is not complete yet. So see the next step. Now once place we have multiplied, you have to write in first line. Now second unit, the 10th place is there. 10th place is 3. Now 3 you have to multiply by 8, then 5, then 2, then 4. So for second digit present over here, you have to just leave this place. So you have to put a cross. Or you can write 0, it's your choice. I used to write here cross, it is convenient for me. So that's why I am writing here 0, because sometimes what happens here, if 0 is coming, I am confused. Or you may also be confused in writing, you have to write, you have written here 0 or you have written something else. That's why very easy to put a cross. You don't have to write anything because one's place is over here. So one's place you have to leave here in multiplying the 10th place. So now 3 8s are 8 3s are 8 1s are 8 8 2s are 16 8 3s are 24. 2 carry 4 here. You have to leave this. Remember, if you will not leave this, the calculation will be completely wrong. So 3 8s are 24 or 8 3s are 24. Now 3 5s are 15, 16, 17. 2 carry was there. 1 carry 7 here. Now 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Now no carry. Now 3 4s are 12. 1 here, 2 here. Students, this is 2 digit. So first line is simply multiplication of the first number by all numbers. Here you have to write. Second line, what you have to do? Second number is 3. 10th place is 3. So for 10th place, one's place should not be there. So you have to put a cross or you can put 0. It's your choice. Better to put cross. Then you have to multiply 3 by 8, 5, 2 and 4, and here you have to write. Now after completion of this multiplication, you have to put a plus sign here and you have to add these two numbers. Okay? Which two numbers? Means this number and this number. Okay? So now see here, 8 plus cross means add this. Okay, 4 plus 4, 8. 7 plus 5, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 12. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 7. 6 to the 12 plus 1, 13. 1 carry, 3 here. Now 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. And then 1 is there. So, see students, 1,53,288 is the product of this given number. Okay, and you have to write in column. So you have written in column. See, this line is straight, 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 straight and straight with proper and equal gaps in between the numbers, so that it will be very easy for you to understand after which number you have written the next number. Clear to you, student? In the same way, we have to multiply the next question, that is 352 multiplied by 43. So 352 multiplied by, I am writing another question, that is 416, because 43 is 2 digit only, that you have understood. Okay. So 416 is 3 digit now. So students, for this only one more thing you have to do. See here, multiplied by 416. So see students, now in the same way, first and second digit will be multiplied as you have done in first, and the third digit multiplied after that. So see here once again, 6 2s are 12, 1, 2, 12. 6 5s are 30 plus 1, 6 2s are 12, 1 and 2, 12. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1, 31. Now 6 3s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s 12, 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. 21. First number over. Now second number. So you have to put one cross for second number because it is tens. So one's place will be 0. So 1 2s are 2, 5 1s are 5, and 3 1s are 3. Don't mix the numbers. You have to see first number with all, then second number with all, third number with all. Now see students, for the third digit, here 2 digit you are knowing very well now. So for the third digit, as ones and tens should not be there, so ones and tens will be 0. You can put 0 also, as I told you here. So now for ones, tens, 100. Hundreds number, when you are multiplying with the above number, you have to put 2 0 or 2 cross. Why? Because ones in place here you are not multiplying, so these two places you have to leave vacant. So see here, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 2 0 20, 2 carry, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, 1, 4. Now students, as you have done here, after multiplying, see here, 2 digits are there, so 2 lines are here with 1 cross in the second line. 3 digits are there, 1 2 3, so 3 lines are there. So here you have to multiply 3 lines, here 1 0 and here 2 0, here no 0 in first line. Now you have to add this all. 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 8 plus 5, or 8 plus 5 plus 1, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 1 14, 4, 1 carry, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, and then here it is 4, and here it is 1. So the answer is 1,46,432. So this is the answer you have received after multiplying this number. So students, I hope you have understood this multiplication, and in this way rest of the questions you can solve. I had solved for you question number 1 and question number 4 because it is 2 digit multiplication is there, and here 3 digit multiplication is there. So rest numbers are 2 digit and 3 digit that you can solve by watching this video of multiplication. Clear to you? Now we shall move to the next question, that is question number B. Divide and check your answer. So students, here you have to first divide and then you have to check. That also same as it is in the product, as I told you in previous class you have studied about division. Only the digits will be increased as you have moved to class 5th. Okay. So see here. 1, 2, 6, 8, 6. Means 12,686 is the number. In this way you can write like this, or you can even write like this, so that you should not be confused. So see students, divided by 9. So from 9 you have to divide. 9 you have to divide means you should know the multiplication, or you should know the table of 9, so that you can divide this number by 9. So writing the number 9, so see here students, 9. I am dividing it by 9. So see, 1 is there, 1 from by the table of 9, 1 cannot be divided simply, so we will take 2 digit. 12 is there. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. 18 is there. So 18 is more. You can take equal number or you can take less than it, not more than it. Okay. So 9 twos are, we are taking 2 digit. So I am writing it over here, not in the ones in this place. Okay, not in the first place. So see here, 9 ones are 9, because I am taking 2 digits, so I am writing it over here. Okay. So now after reading the table of 9, 9 ones are 9 here, because 9 twos are 18, more than 12 it is coming. We have to subtract this number. So minus 12 minus 9, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 3 is coming. So 0, 3. Clear to you? 3. Now we have got this 3 here. Now next number we have to carry down. 6. 6 is there. So write down 6 simply. Then read the table of 9 for 36. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. Equal 36 is coming. We can take. But more we cannot take, less we can take. Okay. 9 fours are 36. Again we have to minus these two numbers. So see here, 36 minus 36 is 0. Now carry down 8. Simply in the table of 9, of course, 8 will not come. So 9 zeros are 0. Why? Because only one digit we can carry, rest we cannot. See here, for in your convenience. So I am telling this procedure. Okay. So 9 zeros are 0. So now 8 is there. Now we can take the next number as 6 here. Now table of 9. 9 nines are 81. And 9 tens are 90. 90 is bigger. So 9 tens are 90. Instead of 9 tens are 90, we will take 9 nines. 9 nines. For this we are reading, so I am writing it over here. 9 nines are 81. So answer here we got to receive reminder is 6 minus 1 is 5. 8 minus 8 is 0. So students, what are the terms used? As I had told you in the first video of chapter number 2, this is the dividend which you are dividing. By which you are dividing? 9 is the divisor. The answer received here is the quotient. QUOTIENT. This is the dividend. This is the divisor. Don't write this, only for your understanding. I am telling these terms. Okay. Divisor. This is quotient. QUOTIENT. Not question. QUESTION. No, it is not that. Quotient. QUOTIENT. And the leftover, whatever the number is left, that is the remainder. REMAINDER. So these are the 4 terms used here: dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Now for division we have done this process. Now check your answer. You have to check the answer. So for checking the answer, the formula is there. That is, here I am writing the check. Okay. So dividend is equal to dividend. This is the dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient. I am writing here D multiplied by Q. Divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. You have to multiply this and this number, and you have to add the remainder. So students, see here, divisor and quotient. Divisor is 1409 multiplied by Q. Sorry, wait. Divisor is 9 multiplied by 1409 plus R is here 5. So multiplying 9 by 1409, answer is 12681. Answer is 12681 plus 5 is left. By board mass rule, multiply first, then add. So 5 is there. So see here, 5 plus 1, 6, 8, 6, 2, 1. So answer is 1, 2, 6, 8, 6. 1, 2, 6, 8, 6. So you have received 1, 2, 6, 8, 6. So this is the correct answer which you have divided. Okay, so in this way you can divide and check the answer. So for that reason I am telling you one more question from that, because this is single digit. I am telling about the two digit now. 25 is there. So you should know the table of 25. Write it down in the rough. For example, I am writing it over here. Simply I am dividing it for you here. Okay. Question number 5. I am not doing 2, 2, 3, 4 you will do, and rest you will do. I am doing question number 1 and 5. See here. 3, 1, 7, 9 divided by 25 students. Okay. So see how to divide and how to check. 3, 1, 7, 9. I am writing the table of 25 here. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225 and 250. So this is the table of 25. So now divided by 25. So see, one digit I am taking 3. Of course it is less than 25. So I am taking 2 digit here. 25 ones are 25. 2s is 50. 50 is more than 31. So 1s are 25. So 31 minus 25. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 6 is left. Now you have to carry down one number, that is 7. 67. 2s is 50. 3s is 75. 75 is more than 67. So 2s you will take. 3s is 75. Clear? 25. 2s are 50. So if you are subtracting 50, 7 minus 0 is 7. And if you are subtracting 6 minus 5, you are getting 1. Now 17 is there. One more number is left. Till the number is left, you have to continue your division. So now 9 is there. 179. 179, so it is nearly equal to 175. 200 will be more. So what is the number of 175? 1s are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 25, 7s are 175. So students, now no number is there. You have to just close it here. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 7, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So 127 question. 3179. 3179 is your dividend. 25 is your divisor. And 4 is your remainder. So for checking, C-H-E-C-K, check. Okay, I am taking here dividend. Dividend is equal to, formula is divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So what is the dividend here? 25 is the dividend multiplied by 127 plus R. Board mass rule, first multiply, then add. Board mass rule means the mass rule, D-M-A-S. First divide, then multiply, then add, then subtract. So multiply first, then add is there, so we will add. So first multiply these two numbers. R is here 4. Okay. So the answer received is 317. 25 multiplied by 127 is 3175. Now plus 4 is there. So plus 4 we will do. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 7, 1, 3. So 3179. 3179 is your dividend. So this answer you have received means the solution which you have done is correct. So students, in this way you can divide and check your answer. So rest of the question, first and fifth I have done for you, rest you have to solve, and here first and fourth I have done for you, rest you have to solve. So students, in this way you have to solve the multiplication and division of exercise 2.3 and just complete this exercise by watching this video. Thank you for watching.